welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway, all over the world, guys, morning or evening. And thank you for coming on my channel, and thank you for a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. And guys, this video is a table cover, and it's a round table cover, guys. It's easy to make, guys. See what I did, guys? Fold it in two, then I circle it around, guys. Then I do it like this, and I put the piping right around, guys. This is the fan, this is the fan, and this is the fan. And guys, I leave this open up to turn it over. And thank you guys for like and share and comment.
A, B, C, D, E.